Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually start an affiliate marketing on TikTok through Amazon? So it's actually quite easy, but there is a few processes that you need to go through first. So first things first is we need to have an account for Amazon as well as an application for you to become an affiliate on Amazon itself. So typically, for you to become affiliate, you need to go to the following website, which is going to be the affiliate program website here. So you could just type in Amazon affiliate here, and you should see the Amazon.com/central. So let's go ahead and click on it, and from here you should see this page here. Now what you need to do is you just need to click on the sign up button. So in this case, you should be able to click on it. But by the way, there are going to be some steps that you need to take note here. Like for example, you need to sign up first, and you will be able to recommend. And once you've recommended or when you shared your link, you should be able to start earning from those commissions. In this case, let's go ahead and click on sign up. Now, first, it's going to ask you to enter your information here, so that includes your address and a bunch of information about yourself. But in the most important section here is going to be your websites and mobile apps. Now, in this case, in this section here, you can just add your TikTok profile here. So you can just copy it and click on paste it in here and click on add. And from here, you also need to fill out your profile as well as the section here that you need to agree to. So I would suggest you to read all the details that they will be showing you in these pages here. In this case, the approval process may take from 2 weeks or for 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the processing times. But in this case, you just need to wait for them to actually approve your application. And once you have your application, so typically at the top left here, you should see a section where in this case you should be able to start generating your links. Now, in this case, once you've got your links, so once you've applied for the Amazon Associates program here, you just go to TikTok here, and you just need to first do your research. Now, doing research here is actually pretty easy and a lot easier in TikTok because a lot of people are using it, and a lot of products is actually popping up here in TikTok. In this case, for example, I'm going to just say Amazon Tech Finds. And from here, you should be able to see different videos and different trending videos that is from Amazon. So in this case, you could do your own research, like for example, what products are trending right now. So currently, there are going to be a lot of products here, like for example, the most likely products for home uses. Like for example, you have this video here. There's a bunch of gadgets that he has. He has this chopping board. In this case, I would recommend you to make your research first. Make sure what is trending right now to maximize your earning potential as of this moment. Now, once you've done your research, you can just start creating your videos by clicking on the upload at the top right here, and from there you should be able to post your own videos or get your own videos from Amazon itself. Like for example, we have this product here. Let's go and click on one of the products here. As you can see, there are going to be a bunch of photos that you could use here. You could download the products here, the images for the products, and use it for your TikTok video. But then again, you can create your own content. So if you have this specific product at home, you could record your own video and share it on TikTok itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.